Hello everyone, my name is Mansi Sonkar. In this video, I will be talking about my two strengths that align with my decision to pursue a career in consulting and business analysis. These strengths are not only something I have developed overnight, but they are qualities I have consistently demonstrated over time, and they strongly connected with the mindset required for these roles. The first strength I will talk about is to highlight my ability to connect different ideas and perspectives. Over the past few years, I have noticed whatever or whenever I work on a problem or a project, I naturally try to look it from a multiple angles and perspectives, combine insight from different areas, and build a more complete understanding. For example, instead of focusing on one function like marketing or finance, I tend to think how different aspects of a business are interconnected. This strength is highly relevant in consulting and business analysis because problems of business are rarely isolated. Decisions often involve multiple factors, and the solution requires a holistic approach. In terms of growth, this strength will help me to develop more comprehensive and well-structured solutions, understanding complex business environments better, and become a professional who can think beyond silos. The second strength I would like to highlight is my adaptability in dynamic and fast changing environments and different trends. I have always been working comfortably in situations where things are not completely defined. Challenges keeps changing. A new learning required consistently instead of feeling uncomfortable in such situations. I find them engaging, more motivating. Also, this strength is particularly important in consulting roles because every project is different and every client has unique challenges and problems. This ability to quickly adjust is essentially. In the terms of growth, this strength will help me to handle diverse projects and across industries and companies, which will learn in new environment and continuously improve my problem solving approach in this field of consulting and business analysis. What makes these strengths even more valuable is how they complete with each other. My ability to connect ideas help me to understand problem deeply, which my adaptability allow me to apply that understanding across different situations. Together, they create a strong foundation for success in consulting and analysis role. They are enable me to not only analyze problem solving effectively but also respond me to them in a flexible and a completely practical way. To conclude, my strength in connection, different perspective, and adapting to dynamic environments align closely with the demands of consulting and business analysis role. It I believe these qualities will help me to grow in more effective, versatile, and impactful profession over time. Thank you for watching.